Hi everybody, my name is HB. I'm the CEO of Gandhi Inc. I started an underwear company, and I came out of technology and had no idea about clothing or manufacturing, so I decided to take on this awesome class that Clothier Design Source offered. It's a one-day class, and it takes you from your idea that you want to make, that you have in your head, and then all the way from designing it, prototyping it, and then manufacturing it. It is imperative that you take this class. You will learn a whole lot of information that I didn't know from building a tech pack. So what you think is you have an idea and you want to manufacture a t-shirt, for example. So you think you're going to call up some overseas manufacturer and just say, hey, build me this t-shirt that this company makes. It doesn't work like that. So if you want to learn more, go on their website, sign up for their class. You will definitely learn a ton, and you'll meet some great people, and then you'll